Lactantius, Epitome, Episode 12. Nec potest aliter rerum summa consistere, nisi ad unum cuncta referantur, nisi unus teneat gubernaculum, nisi unus fraina moderetur, regatque universa membra, tanquam mens una. Lactantius continues the argument, and he says, nor can the rerum summa. Summa here is the subject in the feminine singular and nominative, and the rerum summa means the whole of the universe, the substance of reality, you might say. So the rerum summa cannot potest, cannot persist or be maintained in any other way aliter except nisi. See how aliter and nisi work together. Aliter is an adverb modifying potest, and this prepares us for nisi. In any other way, unless to one thing all things are related. So cuncta here is the neuter plural nominative subject of referantur, which is a third plural subjunctive, present subjunctive passive, unless all things cuncta have their reference or relation to one thing or one person, unless one individual, now this unus is masculine, singular, and nominative with reference to God, unless one person holds teneat gubernaculum, the rudder. The gubernaculum is the part of the ship that steers it at the back, and gubernaculum is neuter singular and accusative as the object of teneat, third singular present subjunctive active, unless nisi, one man or one person, one God, individual, moderetur fraina. Now, fraina can also be spelled like so, fraina, and it's neuter plural accusative. It means the reins or the bridle. It is the object of moderetur, which is a deponent verb in the subjunctive here. So unless one person, one individual, one God, holds on to or guides the reins, and regatque, and rules all things, universa membra, all the different parts, another neuter plural accusative as the object of this subjunctive from rego regere, third conjugation, and governs all the parts as though a single mind, mens una, feminine, singular, and nominative. So this is his argument for monotheism. The rerum summa, the whole of the universe, cannot possibly continue to exist unless everything refers to one God.